At KodeKloud, we use a unique approach to learning. As they say, we retain 10% of what we read, 30% of what we see, but more than 80% of what we experience. There is no better way to learn than to learn by doing. One of the challenges that most people face while learning technology is not having the right infrastructure to learn. All of our courses have hands-on labs built into them. Our labs open up right in your browser, no matter what operating system you're on. And you can practice as much as you want for as many hours as you want from anywhere you want. You're given an exclusive environment such as a Kubernetes cluster if you are learning Kubernetes, and these are pre-configured to practice the exact topic you just learned. Our labs are challenge-based. For example, when you're learning to troubleshoot a broken Kubernetes cluster, we give you a broken Kubernetes cluster and ask you to troubleshoot and fix the problem. And every time you fix it, we break it in a different way each time and ask you to fix it again. And this approach makes learning much more engaging and fun and keeps you on your toes. You're always trying things out and breaking things and looking for ways to fix things, and that is the most effective way to learn something. Our new AI assistants in labs will guide you through every step of the way. The KodeKloud AI is aware of your activities in the lab and can tell you exactly what you did wrong. It's just like having an expert right next to you at all times. It can check your work for you, troubleshoot your system for you, and even fix things by itself. It is a multilingual assistant, so it can speak to you in your own language. Now, in case you're still stuck, we have a thriving community of instructors and other students who are there to help you out. Well, to try out our labs, head over and check out some of our free courses.